It's Craig Underwood, and we're standing out in the middle of a pepper field in Moore Park. This is Underwood Family Farms, and we have multiple varieties of peppers growing out here. This particular variety in here is a small sweet pepper. We've got some orange and some yellow, but we have probably 8 or 9 different varieties of colored bell peppers out here, all the way from green to red to yellow, orange, purple, brown.
Chili peppers originated in South and Central America approximately 8,000 years ago. As you can see, they come in all shapes, sizes, and colors.
We have some hot peppers planted out here, jalapenos, cherry bombs. They're very, very spicy. We select peppers that are very high on the heat index. If you do eat a hot pepper and it's too much for you, the best thing to do is drink some milk.
The spiciness of a chili pepper is measured on the Scoville scale. The number of Scoville heat units indicates the amount of capsaicin present in the pepper. The world's hottest pepper is the Carolina Reaper, which has 2.2 million Scoville heat units.
So let's learn why it's important to drink milk after eating a spicy chili pepper. The fat in the milk will bind with the capsaicin to help rinse it out of your mouth. But if you drink water, it will redistribute the capsaicin, making your mouth burn more. To test this, we have one of Underwood's cherry bomb chili peppers, which measures 5,000 on the Scoville scale. Here's the pepper. Here we go. Oh wow, that is spicy. All right. Magically that worked. And now, Craig, back to you.
These peppers were planted right around the end of March. We transplant all of these. It takes until about the end of July, first part of August before we have colored peppers, like this little sweet pepper that we have here. This isn't going to yield real heavily, but we'll get a lot of peppers out of it. Generally, the bell peppers will yield in the 15 to 25 tons per acre, but like I say, we've only got a couple of acres here, so. I've been farming for between 40 and 50 years. I've loved the life, I love the challenges. There hasn't been a day when I haven't been anxious to get out of bed and get out on the farm. It's a great life. You're outside, there's a lot of freedom of movement. You can look around and you're working in beautiful country. We work with great people.
A successful farm operation requires the help of many people. Let's meet one of Craig's co-workers.
Hi, my name is Kathy and I work for Underwood Family Farms. I do farmers markets mostly, but I'm also part of the CSA program. And CSA stands for Community Supported Agriculture. And what we do is make boxes to distribute out to subscribers throughout Ventura County and also LA.